Putting the Agnihotra ash on the cows is really good for them. Not only is it anti-parasitic, it's also antibacterial and also very good for their energetic field. Not to mention they love the massage.
She's loving that. Hey, Mama. Huh? You're loving that, aren't you? Yeah. Nandi.
Nandi's getting so big now. He looks after his sisters, he washes them, gives them a good old lick down. He loves getting into the compost. He's addicted to coffee granules. He's got an addiction to caffeine already.
That's where they like it, behind the ears. It's one of the sensitive parts where they like colored. And here, this part too. And under here too. And they can't reach it. That's why they like it so much.